Hi Richard, this is Quinn. I got off the phone with you yesterday regarding a video of 4 solutions that I wanted to show you regarding how to beat your competitors and by scaling your website with SEO. So by sharing these 4 solutions, it's often resulted in some local business owners raising their hands after the end of their videos and saying, hey, I like what I saw, do it for me. So if by the end of this video you liked what you've heard and you can see that I can help your business, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you decide you can just take what you've learned today and do it yourself, that's okay with me too. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing I'd like to go over is your website's content. In order to optimize, you need at least 1,500 words with Google. So I went ahead and I pulled your content and plugged it into wordcounter.net. I got a result of 83 words. I did the same for your competition, Bluestone Tree, and got a total of 74 words. So this already is very beatable. The second solution to optimizing your company's site are your keywords that your content contains. So if you're wanting more clients, look at using more keywords to input into your content. Keywords are, for an example, what a person would search Google for. So very quickly, I'd like to explain a resource that I use in order to see what my client and their competitors have for keywords, and that is a tool called Ahrefs. I pay $99 a month to use this tool, and I'm showing your website. These are all of your keywords that you have there, and then this is your competitors' keywords, right? Mind you, they have different services than what you do, but I'm going to show you different ways on how you can just blow them out of the water despite that fact. So we're going to look at, real quick, the keyword difficulty. So keyword difficulty, you want to have 0 and 6 to optimize quickly. The higher you go for KD, the longer it takes Google to rank. However, the stronger ranking you will be. So now with that being said, there's the volume. And volume is a representation of how many, like say for example, I went and searched for Bluestone Tree and I'm amongst the 250 that search for them. So how they got this big of a number for that is because it looks like they recently did an ad for them with Google. So I want to go into how you can fight back by building your trust with Google. And to do that, your company website needs more citations. So with that being said, to have more trust with Google, citations, right? So citations involve your company title, the address, phone number, and business hours. So this is a very important section because this is the Google Map Pack. This is how you rank, right? So we're all the way down here and you want to be all the way up here, and we have all these people all in front of us. So citations, right? AKA known as NAPs, which is again, business title, the address, phone number, hours. So you're probably thinking like, hey, how do we rank in maps? So I have another tool that I use and it's called White Sparks. This pulls up citations of my clients and of their competitors. So this is your business. This is how many citations you have. And these are the citations that you have and are using. So this is great to know. So this is how many your competitor has, right? So there they are, 36. They have got 36. So on average, you want at least 200 to 300 citations in order to blow everybody out of the water. Nobody can ever take your place at that point. So with that being said, let's take a look at what your competitor is using for citations, right? So these citations, aka known as NABs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yeet, City Star. Like you can even get a citation for Facebook. And we can see, that your competition site, like all of your competition citations are right here. They're all laid out, and we can just take all of these and submit them for your own business, for your own company page, right? So the last important solution that I'd like to go over with you to really crush your competition is to build your website strength and authority. And how to do that, that's with more backlinks. So you can see that this is what we've searched for, this keyword right here. Obviously, this is not where you're at whenever we search this key term. So that's where you want to be, all above these guys, right? And to get you there, we need to beat out the competition in every aspect of what I've reviewed with you. So backlinks, also known as link juice, simply put, works like this. So site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like a link juice, connecting to site B. That gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's kind of like, in layman's terms, like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. So this link juice that you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So for example, if you have a relative site linking to you, that would be more effective than, Pizza Hut linking back to you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So again, I want to bring your attention back to Avery's. So this again is a tool that I use to check out link juice, and I pay $99 a month. This is your information. You can see that you have 107 backlinks pointing at your site. And then this is your competitions. They have 5,826 backlinks. So that being said, this is very beatable over time. Looking down below, we can see these guys have all these links. Therefore, we can take every single link, just like the citations, and go after them for your own site. So just closing up what we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words in order to optimize with Google. We went over citations. You need at least have 200 to 300 of these to beat out your competition by a landslide. That way, you can rank #1 no matter what. We went over backlinks, i.e. link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you have the authority. You are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do it on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself some time, just give me a call at 812-675-4886. Once again, my name is Quinn. I look forward to hearing from you.